We gotta lock in.
What's up?
What is this?
I'm pretty sure there's something amazing here. Please get me Ronaldo or someone.
This is a FIFA World Cup card?
Open one by
First World Cup card that I've opened.
I'll go find that.
Mohamed Hamdov, Musab Aludrov, Cedric Bakugo, Jose Fajardo.
That's you, man. You're playing the World Cup?
What?
What? That's you.
What? What the hell did you do?
Nothing. How did you do that?
Chat, am I in the World Cup?